welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this gorgeous, quick Senegalese twist. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my Rockville comb. So what I'm going to do is I'll start by sectioning my hair from ear to ear, just a straight line, just exactly the way I'm doing. Because I want to have in front the individual illusion like I have individual box braids. And then I want to have the back, you know, cornered all the way down. I'm going to start by taking my scrunchie and securing the hair in the back. So I'll start working with the hair in the front first. So what I'm going to do is I'll start sectioning my hair in lines, just exactly the way I'm doing right there. Take my shine and jam just to make sure my line is really nice and straight or whatever. So I'm going to start by sectioning my hair into little pieces, just exactly the way I'm doing. I'll take my shine and jam, separate my hair into two, and then twist it all the way down. I like the twisting method because it's easy, very quick to do. And it's also very easy to take down and your hair doesn't get tangled and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Next one, I'm just going to apply my shine and jam as well, and then I'll section it into two. Take the hair from the first section to the second section, and then I'll just twist them together all the way down. So that's exactly what I'm doing. And then the third one as well, just take my shine and jam, apply it to the hair. That way it's really nice and sleek. It looks really neat. And then I'll section my hair into two. Take the hair from the second section to the third section and then twist them together all the way down. That's exactly what I'm doing. Very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. So I'm going to show you again on the top right there. Section your hair, take your shine and jam, apply it to the scalp, and then section your hair into two. Twist it all the way down, and then when you get to the second section, right, the second line, you're just going to apply the shine and jam again, separate the hair into two, take the hair from the first section to the second section, and then twist them together all the way down. And sis, this is very secure. You don't have to worry. Actually, don't make them too tight. Make them tight enough that, you know, they look neat. You don't want to give yourself a headache, but you don't also want to break your hair while you're trying to put this crochet needle in, because this is a protective style, sis, okay? I'm just going to take the hair from the individual illusion and then I'll braid it together with the hair in the back. So exactly the way I'm doing, sis. Very easy. You don't even have to make the lines in the back really nice and neat, but you know your girl is extra or whatever. You can also do like a flat twist if you want to, but I like to do the braid. So once I'm done, I'm just going to take my Jamaican black castor oil, mixed in with my coconut oil, and moisturize my scalp. Please remember to moisturize your scalp, sis, okay? Alright, so I'm using this 3X IV Senegal twist in 20 inches, and I'm using 2.5 packs. So we're going to start with the back. You know what it is. You know what it is by now, okay? So I'm going to place the crochet needle in, open the latch. Take your crochet hair, place it on the needle, close the latch, pull it out. Sis, don't pull it all the way out because you want to be able to pass the crochet needle in again and then go all the way to the corner of your crochet braid. Place the crochet braid on the crochet needle, close the latch, and pull it out. Sometimes the loop is not as big enough, so this is very easy. This way, even if the crochet loop is not as big, this is going to work, sis, okay? Show you guys again. So you're going to place the crochet needle in, open the latch, take your crochet hair, place it on the needle, close the latch, pull it out. Don't pull it all the way out. You want to be able to take your crochet needle in again into the loop again, okay? That way you don't have to use your fingers to pull it out or anything. And this is a faster way. While I'm still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes, sis! Today's shout out goes to Francis Star. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right, sis. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for rocking with me. You are everyone today. Thank you for the love. I really appreciate it. Okay, sis. You're just gonna place the crochet needle in, open the latch, take your crochet hair from the curly hair right there, and then place it on the needle, close the latch, and pull it out, sis. And this is so easy, as you guys can see. And this hair right here is so light. Oh my gosh. Like, sis, when I tell you this video is not sponsored, I'm just giving you the tea, sis. Okay? You guys already know I do Senegalese twist, right? But this right here saves time. Everything takes me an hour. I'm gonna place the crochet needle in, open the latch. Take your crochet hair, place it on the needle, and then go all the way to the corner of your crochet braid. Place the crochet braid on the crochet needle, close the latch, and pull it out. So I'm gonna take my Kiss Edge Fixer and make sure these baby hairs are laid using my Amazon brush. You guys already know what it is by now. And baby, when I tell you, this came all the way through. Yes, sis, I am feeling this Senegalese twist. I like how they look like I have just done my individual Senegalese twist, and this is so pretty. This is exactly what I was going for. This is so easy, and if you want it, you can just, pull them to the back exactly the way I'm doing, and sis, nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know that this is crochet. You're just gonna be rocking it out in the streets. You can do your half up, half down. You already know what it is by now. You know me, we gotta throw in some styles here and there just to let you know this is versatile. You can rock them any houses, okay? And this hair right here is so light. Oh my gosh, I am loving this curly hair situation going on at the bottom right there. You can actually rock this all year round, sis. You can rock this any day, any week, any time. I am feeling this hair right here. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys are gonna be trying this Senegalese twist. You know me, I gotta make sure I accessorize because I'm the accessorizing queen, sis. Okay? And this style came all the way through as well. Let me know if you guys are feeling the accessories. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos, for subscribing, for liking. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe we're here today, sis. Let's get to 300K because baby, at this point, it is up from here. Okay, make sure you share this with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!